Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to study about uses of do and does. So it is going to be very interesting class as we have very interesting topic with us. So let's start with the definition. Definition of what? Do and does. What does do and does? Do and does is a helping verb. Now you must be thinking what is helping verb? So helping verb is a verb which is used to help the another verb in the sentence. A verb which is used to help the another verb in the sentence, that verb is called helping verb. And that verb can be do and does. It can be anyone, whether it can be do or it can be does. So in this way, how do and does is used in a sentence. Now here I have written few points that we will be covering in today's video. Okay. So the first point is form of a verb. Okay. What is the form of do? Here I have written that we will know the first form of the verb, which is called the base form. Do is the base form of the verb, first form, and then did is the second form of the verb. And what is done? It is the third form of the verb, V3. Now these forms of the verbs are used according to the tenses of the sentences. First, when we read the sentence, any type of sentence, whenever we go to read sentence, we see that in which tense that sentence is given. And on this basis, we can easily find out in which tense the sentence is given. If the sentence is given in present tense, it means do is there because do is used in present tense and did is used in the past tense. And where done is used? Done is used in the perfect tense. So this everyone should aware about. Everyone should aware about the forms of the verb so that they can understand in which tense the sentence is given. Now see, here I have written about do and does. What are the subjects which are used with do, and here what are the subject which are used with does. So what is do? Do is a plural verb which is used with plural subjects. Okay, I, we, you, they, and plural noun. And does is what? It is a singular verb which is used with singular subjects, he, she, it, and singular nouns. Keeping this thing in our mind, now we are going to start with the first point. First point, so we already have understood about the forms of the verb. And with forms of the verb, we can easily understand about the tenses of the sentence, in which tense the sentence is given. If we are knowing the forms of the verb, we can easily understand the tense of the sentence. Now the second point here we have is as a main verb. How do and does is used in a sentence as a main verb, that we are going to study. So with the first example, we will see that how do and does I'm using as a main verb in the sentence. I do my work. मैं अपना काम करता हूँ. It is given in simple present tense. The tense is simple present tense. Why it is simple present tense? Because here we have used do. It is used in simple present tense, and do is what? It is a plural verb which is used with plural subject. It is correct now? Plural subject with plural verb. So this sentence is of simple present tense and the subject is plural and the verb which is used is also plural. Now the question is how as a main verb do and does is used. So here what is used? Do or does? Do is used as a verb. As a main verb. Okay. So it is used as a main verb because first we will read the sentence and then we will see that what is the meaning of the sentence. I do my work. मैं अपना काम करता हूँ. So what is the work going on? Of doing work, the main action which is going on is doing work. So this is the only action, the main action which is showing in the sentence. So this will be known as main verb of the sentence. Now I'm taking the second example. Singular of singular subject and singular verb does. She does her work. वह अपना काम करती है. This is also a simple present tense sentence. Tense is simple present tense, and we have used singular subject with singular verb. She does. Now the action is going on again of doing work. Does is the only verb in the sentence. It is the only verb, so it is known as the main verb in the sentence. Okay. Again, it is the verb only which is used here. No other verb is there which is showing action in the sentence, so it will be known as main verb of the sentence. This thing is clear? Okay. Now the second point which we have is how as a helping verb do and does is used. Now here we have helping verb, how do and does is used. Do and does. So here I am writing example. Again I am taking sentence of simple present tense. I do not do work. But it is a negative sentence. Okay, it is a negative sentence. We have used here do not. With do, we use in negative sentence we use do not, and with does we use does not in negative sentence. When we form sentence in negative, with do not we use in sentence, and with does not we use in sentence. Here we have example I, plural subject with plural verb, do not. Okay, मैं अपना काम नहीं करता हूँ. I do not do my work. I do not do my work. Okay, so now here the action is going on of doing verb. Again, the first verb. So as we have understood that the definition of helping verb, when I was telling in the starting what is helping verb, a verb, now here we can easily understand that definition with the help of this example. A verb which is used to help the another verb. So here a verb which is used to help the another verb in the sentence, that is called helping verb. So here it is helping verb do, and here it is a main verb. It becomes a main verb. Okay, now here the second example I am taking. She does not do her work. वह अपना काम नहीं करती है. It is also given in simple present tense and it is a negative sentence. Does not is here. Singular subject with singular verb we have used she and does not. Now the meaning of the sentence is she does not do her work. वह अपना काम नहीं करती है. Now again I am going to apply the definition. What is helping verb? A verb, it is a verb, na? A verb which helps the another verb in the sentence, which helps the another verb in the sentence, that is called helping verb. It is the helping verb, and the verb which is helping to another verb, that another verb is known as the main verb of the sentence. Now I hope you have understood that how help, do and does is used as a helping verb and how it is used as a main verb in the sentence. Okay, here I have described that how it is used as a helping and main verb. Now the third point which we have is in present tense. How do and does is used in present tense. So in present tense, do and does is used in two type of sentences only. And which two type of sentences are there. The first sentence in which do and does is used is interrogative sentence. And the second sentence is negative sentence. Okay. Interrogative sentence means what? When we ask question in the sentence. When we ask question, what type of question? You must be knowing the structure of the do and does. Like in an interrogative sentence, what is the structure applied? In interrogative sentence, when we form the sentence, do and does comes in the starting. Okay, because we ask question, so verb comes at the very starting. Do you eat mango? क्या तुम आम खाते हो? Do you eat mango? This sentence is given in simple present tense and it is an interrogative sentence because we are asking question. Okay. So now here we have used do. Here we have used do in the starting. It is an interrogative sentence. And here we have do and eat. These are the two verbs given in the sentence. Now I will not tell. You can easily understand what is two verbs are given. You can easily understand what is the helping verb. It is helping to the another, so it is main verb. Okay. And here just I am telling that how you can use do and does in interrogative sentence and negative sentence. You already have understood what will be the helping and main verb in the sentence. Okay. Now the second example I am taking of singular subject with singular verb. Okay. Does she eat an apple? क्या वो apple खाती है? Question mark. Does she eat an apple? So, this is also example of interrogative sentence. Does she eat apple? So here it is a helping verb. Okay, it is helping to the another verb which is eat, and this eat is a main verb. Tick. Now the second point which we have is negative sentence. How do and does is used as a negative sentence in the sentence. Negative in negative form, how it is used. She. Here I have written the sentence. Negative sentence. It is simple. In simple present tense, it is negative sentence. She does not eat mango. वह आम नहीं खाती है. So does is a helping verb and eat is a main verb. Okay. So in this way we have completely understood that only do and does is used in present tense, in interrogative sentence and negative sentences. And how it is used as a helping verb and main verb, that also we have understood very well. Okay, the next point now we have is, now here we have the next point, emphatic sentences. How do and does is used as a emphatic sentences in the sentence. Okay, so in simple present tense, we have understood that in simple present tense, in interrogative and negative sentences only it is used. But how it is used as a simple present tense also, in present indefinite tense also it can be used. How it can be used? Just I am taking a simple example of simple present tense, which is she does eat banana. She does eat banana. What is the Hindi meaning? This is a simple present tense and she does eat banana. वह केला खाती है. She does eat banana. वह केला खाती है. This is the meaning in simple present tense. When the tense is given in simple present tense, it is also given in simple present tense, but it is emphatic sentence. It is emphatic sentence, and emphatic sentence means a sentence in which we emphasize to do something. We emphasize to do something or to say something in sentence. Means we are forcing to do something or to say something in sentence. That is called emphatic sentences. Emphasizing or forcing means that you are forcing, and it sounds like this. You can easily identify. It sounds like this. वो करता तो है, वह करती तो है. Okay. She does eat banana. In present tense you will say वह केला खाती है. But in emphatic sentences you will force in the sentence to do something. वह केला खाती तो है. Okay. The second example, I do my work. मैं अपना काम करता तो हूँ. So to will come in sentence for emphasizing in the sentences to do the work or to say something. Okay. One more example I am taking here of they. They do their work. वे अपना काम करते तो हैं. When it is used as a emphatic sentences, then we will the meaning which will come from the sentence, it will sound like this, that वो करते तो है, ये करती तो है. ठीक है. So I hope now you have understood the topic very well. Here we have used the verb does, do, and again do. Now you are clearly seeing that how it is used in the sentences, and already I have described how it is used as a helping verb and as a main verb in the sentences. So now that's all about do and does. Now in the next video we will be covering about uses of did, which is the past tense. Like did is used in the past tense, so that we will be covering in the next video. Thank you.